Hello, everybody. As we can see on August 12th, 2020, the Arizona Department of Health Services reported 706 new COVID cases, and there were a total of 7,834 new tests reported that day. So if we want to find the positive rate, we're going to take 706 divided by 7,834. So everything's set up over here. And notice how I changed the 7,834 into 8,000 minus 200. That's what this represents. So I'm at 7,800, then I just add the 34. So I'm going to put the 8 over here. I'm going to put the 8 over here, and I'm going to put the other flag digits 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, 4, and this one has a flag over it, a vinculum, okay? Great. So I have my 706 now. Great, so our first step is going to be how many times does 8 go into 70? Now, I'm going to purposely say 9 and go over because I recognize that this adjustment is going to be a positive one since I have a vinculum over here. So I'm left with -2 because 8 times 9 is 72. So I have to go down 2 to get to 70. So I'm going to make my first adjustment minus. This one has 2 minuses. This one has 3 minuses. That's how the process goes. So first we're going to work with the first flag digit, then we work with the next 2, and then we do 3 at a time every other step. So what that means is the subtraction I'm going to make is equal to this times the first quotient figure. So I multiply it by 9, I get -18. So I subtract -18, so that becomes added. And for a similar reason, all of these adjustments are going to be plus. So here's how you want to think about this. -20, this is -20, it's one space to the left. -20 plus 6 is -14. -14 plus 18 is 4. How many times does 8 go into 4? 0. There's 4 left. Now we're going to make another adjustment. So this one's always going to be plus because we're adding a negative. So that's going to help us out. So I have 23. We don't have to worry about the vinculum. We can just worry about the signs now. And then I'm going to take my 90 and do a cross multiply. So this gives me 0 plus 0, and this is -27. So 40 plus 0 minus 27 is 13. How many times does 8 go into 13? Now, we're going to have to say once or twice. I'm going to say once, and we have 5 left over. So now I'm going to make a triple adjustment. I work with a 901. So this is the +2, minus 36, and then -0. So I have 50 minus 36. That's 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. How many times does 8 go into 16? Let's just say once again. And this time I have 8 left over. So another triple adjustment, 2, 3. See how we work with the 3 digits again? And this time we're going to work with the 3 most recent ones starting from the right. So I have 0, 1, 1. This gives me 2, minus 0, and then -3. So it works out really nice. 80 plus 2 is 82, minus 3 is 79. How many times does 8 go into 79? We're going to say 9. And there's a remainder of 7 because 8 times 9 is 72. So we'll just stop there, okay? Where does the decimal go? I brought it down here. It needs to get moved 3 spaces to the left because there's 3 flag digits. So 1, 2, and I add a 0 here, 3. Perfect. So what's the positivity rate? I'm going to move, let's get it as a percent. So it's going to be this right here, 9 point something percent. So I have 9.011.9%. And it's possibly this could be rounded up and make this 120, but we're going to leave it like this, okay? Good job. It's under 10% today. Keep practicing. Keep introducing vinculums. It really helps your calculations out, okay? Good job.